Welcome back. In this video, I would like to prepare everything so that we can display a bunch of wishes, and we're going to use dummy data for that because we don't have any of the loading from the database kind of content or code yet. So we're going to start with something very simple, and that is going to be dummy data. So inside of my wish class, I'm going to create an object, which I'm going to call dummy wish. Now this object will have a wish list, which will be a list of wishes. So here I can just go ahead and add my wishes that I want to have. So I'm going to have wish number 1, which will have a title of Google Watch, for example. So I want to have a Google Watch Pixel 2, whatever, Watch 2, Pixel, Watch Google, whatever, the latest version. So that's the title, and the description is going to be an Android watch, and I need to put that in parentheses. Now you can add more details to it. I'm just going to copy a few in here. So a few wishes, they need to be separated by comma. Okay, so I just added a bunch of wishes here. Now you can obviously go ahead and use your own wishes, or you can type in whatever I have here. So it doesn't really matter too much. It's really just about having a few wishes inside of our wish list so that we can use that wish list to display inside of our lazy column. Okay, so our lazy column is inside of our home view, if you recall, and currently we're not doing anything with this lazy list scope, which I want to change now. So here I'm just going to say items, and I'm going to use my dummy wish.wishlist. And with that, I want to say for every single wish, I want to create a wish item that sets the wish as being the wish. And then we just need to make sure that we import the extension function lazy list scope items. So now let's rerun our application, because that is pretty much it already. It should be it. So we have set up how such a wish should look like, and we've set up a list of wishes. So you see here, we have this Google Watch, an Android watch, then we have Oculus Quest 2. Probably we would focus on Oculus Quest 3 because it came out just recently. But yeah, basically this is how the wishes are going to look like inside of our app, right? So currently we're not getting them from the database, but we're not storing them in the database. We're not even creating them yet. So we will need to make sure that we can create them, and that should happen once we click on this plus button, which then should send us to a different screen. So let's set up that different screen so that we can then actually create our own list items.